YouTube. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to make our slime bigger. Let me show you. So first you're gonna have to add water. I already added more water, so I don't have to add it. But step you're supposed to do is add water to your slime. So you can do it. See, I already added. Then after you add it, you want to mix it. So you're gonna have to mix it, but I'm gonna do it in fast motion, so it could be faster for you guys. So here's fast motion. You can see my slime has fallen apart, so it's time to meal it. So when you meal it, sometimes it gets really sticky, so you have to add water, and sometimes it just falls into bits, and then you have to put them back together, and that's what might happen too. But I'm gonna put more water in mine, so I'll be right back with more water. So I'm gonna stop the video. It's a lady. You gotta stop it because it's just more work, more editing. So yeah, I'm gonna go put water on my cup, and I'll be right back. There we go, babe. Start to mix it while on camera, so I'm gonna mix it, and it's gonna make a mess. So I'm just gonna mix it. And it's really fast. So again, I'm gonna put it in fast motion. So yeah, you see it made a really big mess. So I'm gonna clean it. Oh, mine's turning sticky. There you go, I mixed it, and it's sticky. I feel like it's got sticky. Ooh, I don't have to add fine. Really good, actually. The water made it stretchy. So it didn't really do nothing to the sides. I need a bigger bowl, so I don't know what to do. So I really need a big bowl to be able to make bigger stuff. So I don't have a big bowl. But I'll make sure to change it later after. I don't like this color, so if you guys put in the comments if there's anything to change this color right here. I really don't like it. It's like a grayish, darkish blue. So I added blue Sharpie. This Sharpie. See it. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna add more. So I didn't really do anything. So I'm gonna see if there's any more pimples. So I'll be right back, guys. And yes, I'm gonna leave the camera on. So yeah, I'll be right back. comfortable. But I'm gonna leave for the day, so hopefully you subscribe and like my channel. And tell me if you want any more slime things.